There is a developer seeking design approval for a 5-story condo project at 1940 Bay Drive in Miami Beach. Have you heard about this new condo project they're planning at 1940 Bay Drive? It's pretty cool. So 1940 LLC, these guys are based in Sunny Isles and they are led by Erwin and Jonatan Sredni, along with the Scott Albus are behind, and they've got an idea for a 5-story building with 12 fancy condos, each between 2,807 and 3,019 square feet. The design review board of Miami Beach is actually looking over the plans today, not tomorrow, and the spot where they want to build is about 35,400 square feet and currently has an old 23-unit apartment complex. It's right in the heart of this residential area in Normandy Isle, which is surrounded by other condos and apartments. And the design is pretty neat. The Revuelta Architecture team is going for a modern, curvy look that kind of steps back from the streets, giving the area a more open feel, let's say it that way. And the condos themselves sound amazing with open layouts, sleek lines, and huge windows that show off the Miami Beach skyline. They're planning to use a smooth white stucco and some wood and metal elements for a simple, stylish, modern vibe. Plus the windows will have this amazing, cool blue-green tint. They're gonna look amazing, but there's more. They're really going all out with the landscaping to make the place look lush and green. And get this, they're actually reducing the number of units and adding parking, which is great because, as you already know, parking in Miami Beach can be a nightmare. So think about this. They think this will help reduce traffic in the area and make life better for their neighbors. Sounds like a pretty cool and thoughtful project, right? If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all our videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.